Your mobile, you can do a lot of activity, or if you have a laptop, you can do it. Okay, so that we can learn what the use of those tools are there. Before go to this one, yeah, I hope everyone know about a lot of tools like Chat GPT. This is a well-known name, Chat GPT. Am I right? Okay. Suppose now you had a tea. No, you are having TV. Can you get the tea from Chat GPT? Okay. You can't get it. You rely on those restaurant wala only. Okay. They only serve the tea. You are go and get it, or someone can serve the tea here. Okay. Similarly, I want to order pizza. Can I use ChatGPT? Definitely not. Okay. I want to. I think you heard about that Gaggle GitHub. Anyone? How many have heard that term? Just raise your hands. Gaggle. 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 Don't worry. Don't. I will show you everything. Okay. Don't worry. I want to be layman so that you can forget about some other things, you know it. So learn it from the scratch. Okay, we will go ahead with this one. So actually, I've been in the teaching field since 1997. Starting from the grandfather, everybody in teaching field. So I love to be in teaching profession. So we always make sure that rather than covering the topic, we always ensure that something to be understood by the student rather than covering the topic. Okay, my aim is not covering the topic. My aim is to make you to understand on some other things I would like to show you. Okay, that is our goal. To go to the assume that I think session is over. Last session is over. Assume that I am the Mutulashim. I want to get a feedback, instant feedback from you. How was the last session? Like that I'll ask. Okay, so you will tell so many reply. I like, bored, so descriptive, like that you will give a reply. How do I give a response? Tell me. I want to get a feedback from the previous session from you. How do I get it? Forget about this one. You think and tell me. I'll ask what is your opinion about the last session. Super sir, boring sir, like that everyone give the session. How do I remember everything? So I think I should more than 30-40% are there. How do I remember their feedback? Feedback, then I can go, which form? Google form. Well known thing. Okay, that will also take more time. You have to write your name, mobile number, like that. They'll ask so many irritating questions. Not irritating, just formal questions. Okay, so this I'll show some simple website. Okay, there is various website. They get a feedback from the participants. Some website they just get a feedback and show it, and some website they get a feedback and they do some analysis like that. They're trying to do it. You got the point? They get a feedback and they do some analysis. I'll show some of them. Right? So as mentioned by the girl, okay. So we can raise a question, then get a feedback. That's a basic traditional method. Okay. Go to the website Answer Garden. Answergarden.ch. Okay. Don't worry, no need to go now. I'll show it now. For example, this website, there I can enter like this. Do you like mithai or ice cream? Okay. So some people write mithai, some people write ice cream. Okay. Now I go to the website. You also open it. I request everyone to open the website answergarden.ch. Answergarden.ch. Have you all got the URL? Is it visible or visible? Answergarden.ch. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, I'm seeing this one because how many of you are the teacher? All our students are teacher. Students. So soon maybe you'll become a teacher in the upcoming days. Okay. So here what you have to just click plus symbol. Okay. answer garden.cs. Here type a question. Do you like the? I shouldn't ask this question, but okay, I'll ask some other question. It become problem for me. Okay, you like? Can you tell some sample question? Okay, no issue. Do you like dosa or pizza? Okay. This is a question I want to raise. Clear? Do you like? No need to type it, just listen. Okay, on the end you can say so many conditions will be there, don't worry about those conditions, I'll tell you the thing later. Just put creative. Okay, now you got it, you see this is the ID you try. Okay, go with this one. You try this ID, answer.garden ch/4915393. You type it. Answergarden.ch/4. Shall I type the URL here? One second. I'll type the number here so that it means to you. Slash. One thing I'll do. I'll open one notepad. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you typed it? Yes. Yeah. What will come? What will come? It will display. Okay. Just give a response. Give a response. Number 1 second. No issue. You just type the URL. answergarden.ch/4915393. Right? Signal is not there, no issue. If you have signal, you can give a response. If it's not there, be chill.
What is limited, sir?
What is?
Character is limited, everything in.
Yeah.
Just type yes or no.
Yes or no? Dosa or pizza? You can type anything. That's the question we have now. Do you like dosa or pizza? But there's a tricky answer with that. As some people actually, those interested, you can try. I will not tell you. Try. Let's see what's the response you have. Dosa, pizza. Some people put yes. Who type yes? Yeah. Really, give applause to this person. Give applause. Nothing will happen.
Let me see the number.
Yeah. See, actually we asked dosa or pizza only, but he typed yes. That means this website they allow apart from this answer also. Okay. So these are some of the lack of features available here. Good, very good. Any more answer? That's all. Have you how many have you given the feedback? Just raise your hands. 2, 4. Actually, we should not know the name. Okay, I want to know only the answer only. For this checking purpose, I am asking the thing. Okay. For example, have you observed anything from this answer? Don't say dosa is there, yes is there. Apart from this one, just observe and tell me. 4 is there, dosa is there, pizza is there.
Yes, is here.
Yes is here. Then everyone can say, even LK student can say. Beyond that, tell me. Beyond that, tell me.
Dosa character is bigger.
Dosa, very good. Give applause to this person. Dosa is a printed in the large font. What it represents? That is a thing. Okay, that is a thing. Okay, that means from this I can quickly I will inform the restaurant wala. Oh, these people like dosa. Next restaurant will make it dosa ready. Okay, so instead of sending a Google form, instead of note down how many of like dosa, instead of this girl like, this person like, I don't know all the, I only want this one like, that one like. Okay, so that is one of the, it's an instant. Actually, or 15 years before, this type of things implemented in abroad university. When the teacher is handling the class, in the corner there will be a light will be there, green light, red light, like that. Okay, in front of every student there is one small sensor is there. They like it, they like green button. If they don't like that red button, the teacher while handling class will keep on see the bulb. Oh, this topic feel boring. This topic feel interesting. Like that, this type of idea long back, US University they introduced this sensor aspect, IoT mechanism. Now that and all is an old topic now. Okay, so now they rely on this type of things so that they're trying to get a feedback. Yeah. Immediate feedback, instant coffee like that. Okay, but we don't know how many given, we don't know. Based upon the font size, we'll come to know. First one is go to dosa, then yes, maybe 4, maybe last only pizza.
So if you refresh it, there will be.
Yeah, maybe. That's very, yeah, fine. That's good. What's the ID? Yeah, now pizza also equal. Okay, dosa equal, pizza equal. Very good. Like that, I can come to conclusion. We go to the next slide. Yeah. Like this, see, so many answers given by the participant, not by you, by like other people. Okay. Okay. What makes you happy? So many answers are there. I didn't only choose answer on ice cream like that. Rather than they're asking so many queries, holidays, like finishing like that. Okay. So this will go to next one. Next, this is one of the interesting website. Right? This is another website. QIZZ.com. Okay, I will go to the website. Later I will show them, then you can go to the, get ready for that. QUIZZ. Okay, what is the thing means? The URL itself will tell it will conduct the quiz program. Conduct the quiz program to the students. For example, normally we are smart people current days. Current generation students are smart students. Okay, no need to start from the scratch. Even company also don't want it. Okay, everything they want to done it in very short time, but not from the scratch. They have to use some built-in component and connect it and show it us. Like that, here also so many topics, quiz program topic will be there. Just click it, start it means we can take part in the particular quiz program. I will tell you how to take part in the particular program. For example, you belong to, I belong to which domain, which subject or something? Social science. I will try any social topic is there. Social engineering. Okay. Yeah. Social engineering again, 8th standard, 11th standard, you are a college student, am I right? Okay. Yeah. After create this one, I go for put start now. Yeah, those are the mobile. Just scan this one. Is it visible? Is it possible to scan? Or someone can come, or you can go to the website. You can type this code also. Is it accessible? Or can I zoom it? Yeah. Zoom means it will go to the voice. Yeah. Have you all got it? Shall I start the quiz? Yes. Page 20. Come on, just scan it. Yeah, very smart.
Old phone, sir.
Yeah, no, my phone also old phone only. I'm old person now, so I'm having.
The old things bring this stuff.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, if any group,
Sir, we have group there. We can.
yeah, that's why I asked ma'am, you can share the group so that I'll also immediately, but no reply from that. I think everyone got it. Okay, shall we start? Last row. Shall we start? Yes. Shall I click? Sorry, you want me some more time? Are you all ready? Okay. 1 minute. Just scan it, sir. We'll get it. You come here to the phone. Log in. That's all. Yes. That's all. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you.
Well, got it. Last row.
From Google.
No.
Yeah.
You give me.
Okay, I'll send. Let me send. Okay, in the group.
Okay. I think you're ready.
Yes, sir.
We'll start.
Yeah, I send in the group.
You can
This one, yours.
Yeah, that one.
you'll take a selfie.
There is time limitation.
No. Once I start only maybe, very good question. There's option is there. There you can set it. How much time you can give to the each question like that, there is that. But as of now, 1 second. Thanks for raising a very good question. Okay, these are the possible options given in the particular quiz. Yeah, okay. Shall I click? No.
I don't know how to.
Just scanning only. Why you
There's no music again. Angela, get up. Everybody is there. Yes.
I'll click it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start. Yeah, only 3 seconds only given. Yeah. First question. Top score 2680.
Hey, either this one or the other. You try to solve again. You have to send through your email.
I also know. I just do like
Yeah, you have to send through your email. This is some question was wrong, nah? That's why you are getting chance to do. Just press first.
Okay. Shall I end? Before that, you will give a fully performed work. Okay. Jenny, what are these person's name? First one? Please give applause to the person. Okay. Second one, ideal researcher. Ideal researcher? Who is ideal researcher? Ideal researcher. What is good? Third place, Anjana. Okay. Anjana. So initially was the person the top position. Yeah, the person with the 10th. Yes, initially was the top position. Okay, no issue. Okay, I learned that thing. Okay. So like that, we can conduct that quiz immediately. So they are also. That's why the industry people, rather than this pattern, they always set up in a group format. The purpose is always, if you do like it means some people just escape. You put in a group format, group one tell the answer, then group to also get ready. Okay, next we will tell. So this pattern actually is for teaching okay, but activity based is not. Okay, we'll go to next one.
Sir, why some name are not coming?
Why names are not? That maybe you are not enter it properly. Okay, if you give a name properly, means definitely display.
Following the link and direct to this particular.
Yeah,
How is only?
because I didn't try, because my students only actually don't think I just do this one. I invited my students in my previous in the college and attempt everything. Okay, so they given the name because sometimes what happens, sometimes people give a unwanted name or something. Those all we can't avoid here. But normally, it's a fun part they do like this. Okay, fine. Yes.
Do we have to subscribe to this?
No. It's a free only. So that's in the class you can use it. Okay. That's why whenever the teacher has any topic, for each topic, you don't need to set a what about question or something. For example, one second. Yeah, your favorite word is coming, don't worry. Education. Generator. Questions. And number. On the topic education. See, it will generate it. As a teacher, you know it worried about generate type the question from the scratch. Okay, you just type in the chat GPT, it will generate the question. No, sir, I don't know how to ask a question. I have only the content, only one page content. Okay, for example, let's say that this is one way you can generate the question. Through chat GPT, you can generate the question. Or, for example, I'll ask write one para on social engineering. Okay. So it will generate it. So to copy, no need to select it, just this enough. Okay. Now,
One thing,
yeah,
from where this file has come?
it will train like that, sir. This is called a large language model. The people who develop this model, they train trillions of words with this model. Okay. So within a short span of time,
Pre-trained.
is all pre-trained, but it's intelligently trained. Okay. For example, the difference between that Google. How many of, I hope everyone tried the Google, am I right? Can tell one difference what's the Google and ChatGPT? Google?
Google explain short, but ChatGPT
Detail. No. Difference? Yeah, tell me.
According to me, ChatGPT has it is more specific, and then they give a direct answer, whereas Google they lead us from one place to another place. That's what I experienced.
Okay. For example, I want to know about the Python, whether the Google will give or not. I want to learn Python language, whether the Google will give it or not. That's my question.
No, it will give, but no.
It give?
It will give from one website only. But
It will only give the website. It will not tell. It will only give the website or blog or what are the link. Based, it will only keyword searching only. You give some keyword, okay, based upon search it and give it to you. Okay, for example, w3schools.com website is there. That will talk about Python, JavaScript, everything will be there. There you can learn it. It will only give the link where it is available. Whereas in the case of Google, it's ChatGPT, I can write a Python code for the Fibonacci series. Write the Python code, okay, like that. More details I'll display. 1 second. Now, why you wait for more time?
Jayakumar,
Yes, sir.
you want a paragraph
Yeah.
on impact of IT and rural women.
Yeah, definitely. I will try, sir.
So,
Impact on
impact of IT
IT
on rural women.
on rural
Rural women.
of IP.
Yes, sir. Impact on IT on rural women. Okay. See, parallelly I can type the same word in the Google search also. Okay, but you may get some answer like this. How it's possible? Normally, one second. Sir. How it's possible? It will only give the links, but it will provide some summary also. Here also give some summary.
So due to AI.
Due to AI, where you give applause to the person. Okay, because nowadays Google integrated with the AI. Okay, that's why this normally earlier before the integration, this and all, no, it won't come. Only will go to the respective website only. Now because of integration, it will give some brief summary. Okay, that only you can get it. Okay, for example, sir is asking impact of IT on the rural. So he will provide lot of papers or blogs or something. So see, this also ChatGPT, AI impact. Okay, here also provide a simple answer. For example, sir is asking, what the impact of, it will have some simple information. Here also it has simple information. Like that, it will give some summary. Beyond that, it will tell where the link is available. Impact of mobile phone usage, impact technology adaptation. Like that, what are the related keywords on this topic given by sir, it will be given. Wherever you can open it and read by yourself. No, sir, I don't want to read it. Okay, one thing I'll do, I download some other, one example. Sir is asking, I'll download this PDF. If I ask the girl or boy to read this things, no, I feel so dizzy. I feel, okay, I don't want to read. Like that you can say. So I can save the desktop, academic research or something. Now I'll go to the ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. Third one. Alright, yes. Now I am going to upload the particular file. Desktop. What's the name of the file? so sorry, doubt desktop. Sorry. Yeah, academic research. Okay. Okay. So I don't want to based on the keywords, I download some file from the Google because ChatGPT don't provide any file. Through Google only you'll get it. Then I don't want to read the file also. I want to get the details from the paper. Okay, I don't want to read it. So I upload in the ChatGPT. Okay. Now I'll ask question. What is the impact on IT on rural women? That's because I don't know whether relevant or not. I just given the keyword. Okay. Impact of IT on rural women, economic empowerment, education skill development, like that asking. For example, see, it will tell the brief manner about what is it visible? Yeah, and positive impact, challenges, recommendation for the improvement, like that it will tell. Suppose I want to kindly provide graph format for the above PDF, for the above paper. Okay, so it immediately economics factors influence IT adaptation. These are the factors of the social influence, effort expectancy, price value, and the values they given here. Okay, age distribution of rural women among using IT. Like that, I can get it. I didn't read the paper. I just upload the paper. By that, whatever I want from the paper, it may be present, may not present. Don't worry. ChatGPT worried about all those things. I want the same information in table format. Okay. Please, yeah. I need the table format. I need the information. I need summary in table form.
Regular form.
Okay. See, so that is a problem with. Now I am not saying, I am not accusing the current generation. This is a facility available, we can use it. But what the problem means, because of this technology, I can easily get it. But because of the technology, what will happen? They are hesitate to learn the thing. Sorry, sir, because he went through so many papers. Okay, really maybe interact with so many people. To get the survey about the people. Okay, so many experiment is there. Okay, to get the information for the experiment, he can conduct it in personally. He can share the document. Like that, you can collect the information. Okay, some point they publish and just upload it and get the result. Within a fraction of time, ChatGPT will provide. See, think about the fate of the researcher who are doing. In future, definitely no one is going to read it. Okay, that and all we are worried about, since that's what Sir telling, the technology will give a negative impact. This is one way. But how we are going to use it for a real purpose, that is very important. For example, there's one data is there. Okay, let's say that value is sale, product, sale of the item ID, sale values is there. Then advertisement amount is there. Okay, so if a teacher is asking question, if the company is spending $1,000, the sale is happen like that. The company is $2,000. What will be the sale? How do you provide answer? If I put a ChatGPT, it will tell the answer. I'm spending $1,000 for advertisement. This is sale is coming. So this is a sale value. If I spend 2,000 rupees for the advertisement, what will be the sale? Can anyone tell me? How do you find it? 1,000 rupees I'm spending on the advertisement by the company. This is a sale. If I spend 2,000 rupees for the advertisement, what will be the sale? What type of problem it is? Okay, it's a problem called a regression problem. Okay, regression problems. Here is the relation between one x-axis and y-axis. X is an independent variable. Independent variable, amount spent for the advertisement. What is the probability for the y-axis? Sale. Okay, this I can upload in the ChatGPT, I can get it. But as a logic, you should know it. That's a regression problem. Okay, so it's a type of data is a continuous data. Height is a continuous data. Sale is a continuous data. So we know what's the, for this amount, what will be the value. Okay, so through the regression analysis, I think the people who do in the social engineering, they are aware about the regression analysis. So that logic, you should know it. Okay, then only whenever the result is coming, so for example, even, but one thing I give a challenge to the ChatGPT, my students did a work on deep fake detection. I hope everyone know about the deep fake images you have seen. Okay, we want to check the ChatGPT capacity by giving the question, what are the technology available on ChatGPT? Like that, if given a question, it will give a summary. That summary, even though it give a summary, only it will tell about a 3 or 4 category. But I ask my scholar to go through 300 papers, okay, on this technology. Okay, 1 year is spent for collecting the paper and went through all the paper abstract technology. Now we prepare a overall this much size chart that is present on the overall architecture. That traditional method, deep learning method, machine learning method, fuzzy logic method, like that he categorizes 7 category. That 7 category is not available in ChatGPT. Okay, how do you get it? You should know about the concept. You went through 300 papers. This is a worldwide. This is a category is available. But to get this, you should read it. He spent 1 year time. For that, you can use ChatGPT also. Sometimes use ChatGPT to get the paper to understand about. That's why suppose you went through some paper, you don't understand. He upload to the ChatGPT, get a summary. What is summary of the paper? Like that, you can get it. That you can do it. But to understand the entire thing, you can't rely on the ChatGPT. Okay, that's why that is an example case study I am given. For deepfake detection, 3 or 4 category only is given by the ChatGPT. We tried in the DeepSeek and ChatGPT and Birth Copilot. These are things we tried. All are free version only. Paid version have more facility, but once only try with the paid version. Even that also we can get maximum 4 category only. Okay, so that is the one drawback, because that was trained, because that's a train like that. They train with something only. Okay, not something actually is a brilliant thing actually they do it. For example, I am attending one course, a natural language processing, NPTEL course. Okay, I don't know about the NLP too much, so I want to attend that course. The assignment, that assignment is a very tough assignment. That was done by IIT Kharagpur professor. I have given an assignment to one of my friend who is handling NLP. He is unable to do it. The teacher who handling the subject is unable to solve the question. He is handling only one question he can solve. Remaining 6 questions he is unable to solve it. What I did is, I upload the assignment in the ChatGPT. Okay, and try to what is the answer for the question. It will generate the answer. But thing is, out of 7 questions, every time I used to get a 4 only correct. 3 sometime will be wrong. Okay, this type of summary ChatGPT easily do it. But if I upload an image, complex subject, ChatGPT is sometime it will get failed. For that, you should know the basic core idea concept. You should learn it from the teacher or from the standard book. That you have to know it. Since I don't know about the NLP, I only rely on the ChatGPT. I upload every week. I upload the assignment. Okay, but what's the problem is don't reveal I got only 4 only answer. Every time I got 60% only. Remaining 4 answer always wrong. Okay, so this is a drawback. Okay, this is not a drawback, this is the maximum thing we can get from the ChatGPT. But Excel and all, I think your social science people using Excel only, Excel sheet, there can collect all the data. Those data, 199% accuracy it will give. That can easily do it. Because Excel calculation is just a statistical calculation, that you can easily do. But for image and all, because that subject NLP, why is ChatGPT unable to solve it means, the subject NLP, even though subject single subject, it encompasses so many subjects. So that's why the ChatGPT confused between this subject with so many subjects. That's why somewhere the problem is missing. Okay, for normal Excel calculation, I'll show you one thing. You can, yeah. See, now it will provide some graph and all. No? This type of thing you can easily find it. Because it's just a description and graph only. The description, we can see the paper first. First we see the paper. Okay, so abstract it is there. Any graph is there in the, yeah, it will have some table. That's all. And table, 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 table. No graph was there. But you are able to provide it. Suppose this is the format we have. I want to print the abstract, that reference in some other format. That also I can do it. Go to the ChatGPT. Kindly provide the reference in IEEE format. Okay. Earlier we used to go through the font, everything, alignment, everything. Now I am not worried about all those things. This is perfectly given by the ChatGPT. Okay, we can't underestimate the ChatGPT. Okay, like that, we can ask any type of format. Okay, and more details about how to give a correct keyword to the ChatGPT, I will tell you in the afternoon session. Another little prompt engineer. Okay, shall we go to the slide? Yes, sir. Yeah. So I think you know about this one. And for practice purpose, once again I will once more demonstrate, not for this aspect. Yeah, I want to create here. As a teacher, I want to create the quiz. Here, 3 ways we can do it. Either we can start from the scratch, like set a question, options that we decide. For example, which is the capital of India? Option A, Chennai. Option B, Kolkata. Option B, Mumbai. Option D, Delhi. Like that, we can set it and save it. And share the ID with everyone so that everyone can participate in the particular quiz. That's the one aspect. It's called create from scratch. Or, no sir, I'm a smart wala. I want to generate with the AI. Okay. Now generate the question. We can, 1 second. So what you will do, you can just attach any document, any Word document. Here also you can, rather than put it in the ChatGPT, get the question, I can upload here also. Import from my drive or import from the device. Okay. For example, 1 second, ADT links, ADT link list. This I uploaded. It contains 94 pages. Upload pages. Okay. Now, yeah, upload it. Now generate the quiz. Since 94 page, it will come like this. Within 1 page, 2 page, within a short span of time, it will. Yeah. See, I upload 94-page PDF. It will generate the question. I can go for publish it. Publish it means I can share with the. 1 second. Yeah, start now. Immediately 94 pages I uploaded. Within a minute I can generate the quiz. Within a minute I can share with the participants. Now you can immediately check whether there are people following or not the subject. I can immediately test it.
Sir, is this application or AI? Sir, social sciences domain is being covered fully, or
You know it, worried. You pick any keyword.
okay?
Any keyword. Social engineering, education, history, economics, culture, any keyword.
Okay.
Keyword, it will generate it. Suppose you have some PDF
Yeah.
on SARS and IT impact. Suppose you prepared a 100-page document, you can upload it. From the 100-page document, I can generate 1,000 quiz. You can mention, I need 1,000 quiz, 200 quiz, 300 quiz, 400 quiz. It will generate. Then you can share with the students.
No, as a student of social sciences, we find one area which is very problematic for us.
Okay,
So far as research is concerned,
okay.
there are quantitative data and
Quantitative data.
quantitative data you can get anything.
Okay.
What about qualitative?
That's what I'm telling. Actually, data collection not done by the ChatGPT. Try to understand. Data collection not done by the ChatGPT. That as a human being, through some method like a survey, through you can collect it. Once you collect ready, then suppose it's available publicly, is available means ChatGPT they can use this public open access everything they can use it. Not everyone. For example, IEEE database we have, Springer database we have. Those things and all they will not allow ChatGPT to access it. Alright, their business go on. Okay, they will not allow. What are the free thing is available? Those things they train with the ChatGPT. Okay, that's what for simple Excel and all they can easily do it. For complex, as I said, no assignment. Some type of assignment is unable to solve it because it is very because the NLP itself is natural language processing itself is tough subject. It comprises theoretical competition, theoretical automata, design analysis algorithm. So many subtopics will be there. Very all a complex subject. Okay, like that. Collection of data not done by the ChatGPT. That is somebody did it and uploaded somewhere. Then those data can train by ChatGPT. Okay, I'll tell you how to do the collection. That and all we can only do it.
Suppose I have to study transformation and assimilation of northeast into main state.
Okay.
How can we measure?
That's what I'm telling, sir. These type of things we can get it from somewhere only. We can conduct some experiment, get a feedback, get a survey. That and all we can do it. There's no other option. ChatGPT maybe predict something. Predict means, for example, let us say that share price. Okay, I want to know about that. I want to invest the today's share price. Okay, for that, what this technology will help you means, it will went to, suppose I am given a 20 years data to you about SBA share. Will you go through 20 years data? You will get bored. You will not unable to find it those data. 20 years so much data because it's a continuous data. Share price for every second it will keep on change. Okay, 20 years data means thinking about imaginary the size of the data. Okay, so that's why we rely on some type of experiments. Okay, sir. Like that. Okay, I think we'll go with PPT. Yeah. Okay, then you try this also. Kindly, anyway, share the slide. Kahoot.com. Okay, but thing is, someone asked us the free version or something. It will only allow the limit up to 50 or 30. That's a free version. Suppose paid version means you can allow 100 people, 1,000 people, 2,000 people. Okay, that's a problem. But answer.garden.ch, that is instant feedback. That you can share the n number of people. That they won't restrict. But Kahoot and quiz and all, it will only shared with 20 people, 30 people or something only. That's a free version, that only facility. If you paid, it means you can allow to more people can participate. That is one, I can't say drawback, this is a restricted free features. This is the only interesting thing. Because I attend one Infosys from that, this type of things, because it's a 3-hour program, we didn't get relaxed for 2 minutes, because he handled 10 minutes topic, then conduct a quiz, then 10 minutes topic, quiz, 10 minutes topic, quiz. Afterwards, 1 o'clock, we get so tired. Okay, like that the industry is doing, but don't worry, I'm not doing like that. Not just note on the website, you try during lunchtime. Okay, and these are the some of the websites, very professional aspect. Okay, they'll tell how many of you performed out of 36, how many of you correct this one, how many of you tried this one, like that. They tell some ratings also. Question with the correct answer, less correct answer, like that. It's a very professional way to get the feedback. Similarly, prof website. Similar plickers.com, like that will be there. Okay, so these are the things. Websites are there. Okay. I don't know, I will share the PPT with your coordinator. I already shared. I will send the updated PPT with the teacher. You will get it. Okay. Then go to the, as you come to the point of the data collection. This is a very important, interesting aspect. And regarding data collection from the user, okay. Everyone know about the Google form. Does anyone don't know the Google form, how to use the Google form? Or how to create a Google form? Just nothing wrong, we'll learn it today. I want to create a Google form. How do I do it? Try. Someone can come to the stage, those come to the stage and try how to create a Google form. Yes, please sir, come sir. I'll help you, don't worry.
We are very proficient in use of IT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, please come. Okay, my mail was open. 1 second. Yes, now mail is open. You create one Google form. How to do it? Others you can also try. How to create a Google form? Try.
So about that ChatGPT, can the Tunisian detect it?
Tuning.
Yes, the
Plagiarism
yes,
software.
yes.
Yeah. Plagiarism software is a what about Tuning is using. Actually, parallelly, so many free versions also available. For example, I'll tell you how the ChatGPT can detect that plagiarism. I'll show the demo. Okay, this subscribed software is there. That and all we can use it. Beyond that, can some percentage can open any tool is available. I'll tell you. Don't worry. After this demo, I'll show it. Yeah, go to the Google form. Very good. You give the title of the form, class feedback or something. Class feedback. Then someone can help, those who already created, someone help from your place. How to do it? How to do it? Tell me. Help him.
Start first one, right side first one.
Right side? First plus click plus yeah, it will tell the question. Okay. You can ask any question, your subject, any social engineering, any question you can ask. Any question you can type, give one option.
How do you find this session?
Yeah, you go and help you create a form quickly. I don't want to waste the time. Quickly demonstrate how to create a Google form. Other form I will explain it. This is a known form. I want to know it. How to create it. Others, you can try. Once you create a form, share with your friends to fill it. Recently from social engineering, one student girl came to my cabinet and asked, he shared one Google form. Sir, this Google form regarding questionnaires for the people who got married. Okay, I had to fill the form. She long back, 1 week before she given the form, but just it came to my mind. Okay. Like that, we can you type 2 questions enough. 2 questions enough. Second question. Up to water. Okay. I think I have to cover so many things. Don't worry, we cover all the topic. Two option you can give. No need to give 4 option. You can give 2 option. Yeah, publish. With anyone. Anyone, ah? Okay. You send to only one person. Any one ID who are present here. Yeah, done. Editing facility, wait, editing facility. Are you given? Or you can share that link. There is a link for there. You copy the link and share with everyone, those who want. Okay? Yeah, send it. Here, if you want to give any text message, also you can do it. Or else send it. Okay? Please fill the form. That is known. Instead of just fill the form, just give the importance of the form. Okay, don't say, well, show the kitchen, this is where the cooking will be happen, like that. Just always be prompt in telling question. Okay, kindly submit the form by today. Okay, like that you just give a clear-cut prompt in the message. Okay, yeah, send it. So the consent button is received, I can fill it. Okay, so that's it. Google form. Give applause these 2 people. It's very simple. Okay, there you can give the option. I'll come to the analysis part. That is our part. Next, go to the fill out. Yes. Yes, fillout.com. Here, generally, they're asking that login. Instead of login, most of the website they go with the sign up with the Google. I already signed with the Google, that's why I will enter it. Okay. Now, make a flow. Blank form. Okay. Create a form. Right in the survey form. Rural woman survey form. Rural working woman survey form. Continue. Okay. Here, like this, here also we can able to do it. 1 second. Multiple choice. We'll start with the first one. Sir, can a rural working woman, I will go to ChatGPT. Survey questions on, tell me, rural working woman. Survey questions on rural working woman. 10 survey questions. I want 5 survey questions on rural working woman. See, like that it will generate it. The same thing I just use it. What's the primary source of income? Okay, I can go to it. You can hear option 1. Option, what's the option there here? Option, Option agriculture or farming. I just copy and put it here, agriculture farming. Rather than we just copy it in the notepad, otherwise at the end is there, no? Yeah, you just copy it in some notepad or something, then easy for you. Yeah. Agriculture farming. Choice. First question. This one. Yeah. What is the primary source of income? Yeah. Option 1. Agriculture farming. Next one. Option 2. Small business and automation. You want to add more option, you can do it. Daily wage labor. Daily wage labor. That's all. Then next question. I'll ask 2 questions. Only 1 question you can do. Okay. Submit. Okay. Then publish. This copy I can copy and share with my. You tell someone can tell one ID. One thing I'll do, I'll share it with one person. You share it with everyone. Let's see whatever reply you will get it. Okay. Any one ID? Yeah, you tell me, man. JANI. E? It's coming, huh? Wow. Survey on rural working woman. Link. Yeah. Please send it to all the people. Please kindly everyone fill the form. You will receive the link from the person. Fill it. I'll show you what you will do with the result. Have you received the link from you send it? Have you received? Start filling. So like this we can share with the people who collected. Okay, because if you take a rural working one means everyone we can't send like this. Okay, we can go out with the printout only. Okay, go out with the so many printouts. You can get, or you can go with the Excel form. You can directly interact and note it. There we can collect it. There is no other option. We can collect it. Otherwise, what AI will do? It will went through the past year data. Earlier, some people 10 years before somebody published a data means those data they can take it, they can predict it. That's what every pharmaceutical company, pharmaceutical company now they develop a new tablet by using the AI only, because already they tried the different sample, they generate these sample data they given to the AI tool. They predict it. Okay, if you do like this tablet, we will get a new tablet. But it's not just like that. We can't go for a production. We can get a clearance from the ethical committee. Rather than trying so many years, they feed all data to the AI. The AI tries the different combination that tell the new thing. I'll until you finish, I will show the person who does not exit or come. The person does not exit. Okay. Any male, age 19 to 25 years, ethnicity Asian, Asian, yes. Looking good, no? Okay. It is generated by AI. Okay. Because but you may say, because I test this one with my students. Everyone is so interested in try it. They say, sir, this actor's face like that. Those somewhat actor face, it is generated by AI, but some part it will fake only. That as a human being we don't find it, but software can find it. The deep fake image or original image. If you really take a actor's image, different view, upload it, then we can generate the same image of limit. They can compare it. They can easily say this is generated or this is a fake. But as human being, we can't find it. Does it look like a fake image? Does it look like a fake image? It look like an original image. As a human being, you are unable to find it. But there is some part is there. That system can find it. That's what deep learning will play a major role. They go through the image, extract the features, they identify where that bug is there. They can easily find it. That as human being, as you said, we can't find it. That is that the AI be a master now. AI be a master and identify, because as human we are able to find it. I don't think only one image. Everyone can try, other also can try. For example, refresh image. Is there? In this we have it. So may others also try this one. This person does not exit.com. You try with a female. We will go with African or something, yeah. Black. Yeah, male, 25 years, ethnicity black.
Black.
Have you all finished this task? Yes.
Sir,
Yes. You tell me, you got it? Yeah.
Gender female, age 35 to 50, ethnicity Indian. Kids.
Sometimes that's what, ma'am. Actually, okay. Sometime it may happen, but we tried with some people. Maximum we can generate. Sometime maybe errors happen. That's what. Try to understand. The chat GPT, we can't say 100% result will be there. Deep learning, machine learning, only some percent, 80%, if you 90% means the best. If you claim 100% means that is not a machine learning model. There is a difference between deterministic, non-deterministic model. Deterministic model finding adding two number. Okay, if you give this number, this result come. For example, flip toss a dice. Okay, we can't predict. One by any one will come. Like that, probability, like that. Predictable probability only we can say. Non-deterministic model, machine learning, non-deterministic model. Some percent accuracy only can give. Okay, if you get a full percent accuracy means it will not work for some other case study. That's what they always generate a generic model. It will work on various scenarios. Yes, I will submit yes. Review. Results. See, these are the result will be there given by you people. Okay, and we can provide a summary also. Small business 58%, agriculture farming 28%, daily wage labor 13%. How many people given response? 14%. 7 response, 3 response. 14 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 3, 24. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, 14, 14 plus 17, 21, 23, 25, 26. After 20, because if you go for any survey, don't think that everyone can give a participate. Okay, someone is to tell the answer. Okay, because you go with so many questions. They are hurry in going to some work. That time go and ask, ma'am, who is the head, what is the income? That means go, like that they will went away. I will get the details. You can't, it's very tough to collect the details. That was explained by senior people like that. Okay? Okay, fine. Like that, and also you can do the analysis also. Analytics. For view the analysis, you have to go for a paisa. So free version is not there. It will trend, how the trend will be look like. Okay? The subscribe version is not there. Okay, anyway try. Okay, it's not all only here. So like that they can do it. You can get the create a form, share it with everyone. But in the Google form, what's the problem means only you can get Excel data only. You only get Excel data. But once you got Excel data, then we can upload in ChatGPT, you can get it. That's what all the business can spoil by the top people like Google, Facebook, Amazon, Open ChatGPT. Everyone they spoil the many people life. Okay, no one ready to work on Excel. Actually, IBM given 85,000 salary if you do work on Excel. Now future they won't give it because the same Excel I feed it to the ChatGPT, I'll get a result. SPSS software you people using, no? Wonderful software actually it is. It's also paid version only. Actually, individually you can confidentially you can work it because suppose you are working on some confidential information. Can you upload the ChatGPT? Definitely you will not do it. Okay. Definitely in that case, the SPS is the best software. SPS is the best software if you do work it on a confidential. No, it's not confidential, sir. Means I can't say SPS is the best one. You can feed it. I'll show the example. This one Excel file we have. Electricity vehicle population data. Okay, it contains country, city, model, what are the various models, Tesla, Hyundai, BMW, and electric. These are various electric vehicle, and characteristics of the vehicle, and purchase, all those things. They are giving this information. Okay, this is one Excel file. This you can collect through some Google form or something. Okay, or I go to the ChatGPT. Okay, normally this you can do T test, Z test, ANOVA test, all those tests you can manually you can try in that SPSS software. Okay, rather than I'll go to the ChatGPT and upload that Excel file. I said this one I can explain through offline session, for sure. Yeah, I upload it. Provide a graphical, because we will rely on most graphical view of the Excel, above Excel, above spreadsheet. Provide graphical view of the above spreadsheet. What the net is there? Still uploading. Oh, sorry. See, how smart. That's why young people are always smart. Still uploading. Four-minute session, still so many topics are there, only we are topic covers not important. Because very large file it is, maybe.
Sir, you have the paid version of ChatGPT?
No. All of you. I'm not Amirwale. Okay. All are using free version. Actually, my suggestion is, we tried with the deep sea. We tried with the ChatGPT. My personal experiment, we work with the research scholar. Everyone say that open. I am not advising here. Come for advisement to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the best. Why means actually DeepSeek have more facility. I don't know what is the policy of the government or something. They somehow did something on DeepSeek. That's why in the first time we can upload it. And the subsequent query, if you go for asking me, they said server is busy. Like that has happened in the DeepSeek. But OpenAI perfectly is working. Because of the competition, this OpenAI they given allow us to upload up to 20 PDF file per day. The earlier is not open. Because of DeepSeek, we got the facility. Okay, so competition will help us to a lot. Yeah, I think it's uploaded. Now I given a question. Provide graphical view of the above spreadsheet. See, you are uploaded electric vehicle population data. Would you like to analyze the data set and generalize the visualization, or referring to different spreadsheet related to the survey? Oh no, yes, I can say. Generate visualization. Please? Yeah, there's a problem. 1 second. I'll say upload a simple data set. Very student performance data set. Very simple, no? Yeah. Within minute they can upload. Yeah, same thing and ask question. Generate visualization. Execution state, yes, ma'am. Time ho gaya? Okay. Thank you. One minute. I'll. That's a restriction we have the free version. 1 second. Anyway, I'll close it. PPT, uploaded the thing, students' performance. Uh, Yeah, see, it will give a summary. The data set contain categorical variable. Okay, these are the categorical variable, numerical variable, distributions. Okay, how the distribution of the data can be. Okay, let me generate this visualization. Okay, same thing you do using SPSS. Am I right? I can get it here. Okay, so SPSS software ho gaya. Okay, so again what did I see? Not only the graph. I want to do a kindly do. I want t test, t test. 1 minute I'll finish it. T test, comma F test, ANOVA test, test. What's a t test? T test, F test. Can you give one line statement about t test? If the sample is less than 30, very give applause to the person. It is? Is it? Yes. T test. Okay. What about ANOVA? Or is a test? You tell me. Is a test?
The test is when the sample is more than 30.
Okay. Okay. Don't worry about it. 1 second. It will calculate it. Yeah. See the value? Statistical result will be produced. F test produced. ANOVA test is produced. Okay. These things you rely on the particular software. Only thing is, if you believe that because actually the ChatGPT, that's one word is there. I don't remember the transaction by me. Like that, they said, okay, I will not remember what are things you entered like that. But we don't know whether really that we don't know.
Accuracy will be like 100.
100. 100. This type of thing 100 it will. Actually, we compared. Power BI we tried, Tableau we tried, SPSS we tried, and ChatGPT we tried. All are put is accurate result. This thing you can easily do. Statistical calculation will do. But image updation, from the image it will get. I will tell you in the afternoon session. Okay, thank you. You can go for lunch. Your mobile, you can do a lot of activity, or if you have a laptop, you can do it. Okay. Sir, chai piyo. Make it fast. First have it tea. Very important.
Oh, find centrality.
Centrality. What is centrality? Mean, median, mode. That's the centrality. Okay, that's all. Instead of writing mean, median, I can write this one. So let's see how the people are doing. So the post lunch session is very tough to handle the session. Don't worry, we'll make it right. Okay, make it fast. Yeah, quickly do it. We have to do the task. Morning PPT at 2 I completed. I finished morning, then afternoon.
8.75.
Which one? Which you have to tell the mean. Very good. Mean 8 point. Are you sure? Others? Huh? It's just average. What's the problem? Yeah. Totally, how many numbers are there?
Nine.
Count only, no? Count 9. Very good. 9 count. Average. That's all. Total plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 11 by 9. How much come? 6. Very good. Okay. Then median. Median means what? Middle value. Very good. Sort it. 5. Very good. Give a 1 second, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please come. Yes. 5. Median is 5. Middle value. Middle means middle value. Very good. Middle value. Okay, fine. Then mode?
4.
Very good. Mode is a repeated value. Very simple thing. Okay. Come back to the just for refreshment. Go to the topic. If time permits, you will do some other task like this. Okay. Where's the PPT? It goes on this side. Yeah, morning you have seen how to get a survey to fill out. I explained. Okay. Similarly, there is one more tool. That is also very interesting tool. Survey Monkey. Please note down. Survey Monkey. Fill out. These are the things. That website we can generate the survey. No need to retype it. We can generate also. I have one document. I want to set a survey. It will generate. So you can utilize it. Social science people, you can utilize this one. Okay. I think I already explained full load. You try with the Survey Monkey. We have covered other topic also. And this I will explain later. For data collection, how will you do? Suppose I want to collect the data. I want to do some project. I want to collect data. What are the various ways to collect data?
Questionnaire.
Yeah, through questionnaire. Very good. Give applause to the person. To the questionnaire. They can only clap very well. Okay. Through questionnaires, we can collect the data. Any other way? Any other answer? Through? Interview schedule. Yeah, presentation. Interview schedule. Very good. Through interview schedule, you can get the data. Any other way? That's it. Only this two way we can get the data. What is the other way?
Government websites.
Very good. Give a government website. Some repository, gov.in. So many websites are there. Okay. Data.gov.in. There you can get so many repositories of the government thing. You can download it and utilize it for your any analysis. Any other thing? Observation. By observing something, we can give applause to the girl. Yeah. Observation by observing something. Okay, any other thing?
Sir, FGD, focus group discussion.
Pardon? I'm talking about data collection.
FGD, sir.
FCD means?
Sir, focused group discussion.
Focused?
Group discussion.
Focus group discussion. Through group discussion we can get it. Yes. Through interactive, through observation, by participating we can get the data. Any other way? Still you are in low level only. Opinion poll through get it. Okay, they need the things. That's it. Through sampling technique. Yeah, give applause to sampling technique. What are the 3 types of sampling? Can you tell me, ma'am? Sampling technique. How do you select the sample? Randomly I can select it. Random sampling. Then purposive sampling. Then stratified sampling. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Take more answer. Very good. Very volunteer answer. Very important. Good girl. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Then cluster sampling. Okay. I will show. I have some slide. I will show it also. So that's it. Sampling, questionnaires, observation through Google Form, survey. Through that only you can collect the data. Any other way you can get the data. Front end. Content analyzer. Then from books. Very important thing. We can get the data from the books. Okay. Yeah. Manuscript. Very good. Very good. Get the data. Any other way? Okay. Actually, since you are social science people, whenever you deal the data, if you have some 5 rows, 3 column, 4 column like that, means if you go for analyze the data means we don't need any tool. I can directly interpret those data and come to conclusion. Am I right? You already know mean, median, mode. You already people know what is outlier, deduct outlier, all those things you know. Okay, you can easily do it. Okay, but that's not enough to do any conclusion on some topic. Okay, we need vast data to have interpretation. Then only you can say that is correct. Okay, few data is not enough. Okay, to conclusion about the, because that's what the statistics involve. Population, sample. Okay, so for that, Gaggle, that's on website is a Gaggle GitHub. Okay, there so many repositories are there. They have it in I'll show you. I'll go to the Google. Sorry. Google to search about the Gaggle. Yeah, Gaggle.com. Note it. For example, no need go to Google Chrome. I want a education survey data set. Education, children's education. Children education data set. See, so in the Gaggle, already many people upload. Whoever they prefer, they upload the data set. Okay, I can download it. I can download it. I can unzip it. There I can get a UNICEF data. Here I didn't do anything. I didn't do sampling. I didn't do anything. I just go to the Google, type some child education data set. You can get it. Okay. This data, what I will do? What I have? You have SPSS software. You have Tableau software. This is a Tableau software. You can do the analysis. Okay. I'll tell you what's the difference. Tableau software. Similarly, Power BI is there. Okay. Basic statistical analysis. You're using SPSS. Suppose I am a businessman. I want the live data about how the trend is going on, how the sale is going on. Because my software lively interconnect with the external interface. Okay, so that I can get data. Suppose I am the global head. I want to know how the sale of my product is going on. I can get a Excel, put it in a SPSS software. I can do the analysis. But I want the live data, live dashboard. There is content, how the sale, how the advertisement, how the production, everything I want to display it in the graphical view. In that case, the Tableau software, this software, the Tableau software, as well the Power BI, these are the two software used by the currently used by the business people to know about what's the trend. It's all graphical visualization only graphical visualization to know about the trend. Okay. But like that, let us say this is Excel, we got it, and you go to the ChatGPT, there you can type upload it, go to desktop. I have a UNICEF record is there. Can you provide a summary or provide a summary of spreadsheet? These are the features. Okay, like that it will try to produce information. Okay, so through this also through Kaggle webs, these are the website. There are so many public repository. Anyone can develop a code. I can upload it. I can run using Python code. I can run it. Okay, so through Kaggle, through GitHub, these are the repository. There you can get lot of data set. Not only now I got a social related aspect. Similarly, computers in any type of field. Okay, nowadays all the young IT professionals, researchers, they are trying to use this aspect. But if using SPS, whatever, you only restricted to your people only. You are using a software in your system, you upload something, you can download, you can analyze something, that's it. No one aware about this one. But here if you upload means anyone, that's what it's not a monopoly. Okay, got the point. Everyone, anyone can access it and use it. Okay, you want to serve the society, so that you can upload the data. So that those who want to do analysis, they can. Now I am do the download the UNICEF and do the analysis. Okay. So come back to the PPT once again. So through the Kaggle we can get the data. Similarly, you can go for the Google search also, you can get it. And Semantic Scholar we have. Okay, but some of the website all you have to pay and use it. Some will be freely available. This is also freely available. Google Scholar you are aware. Then this is very important one. You go to the website. Those who have the laptop, kindly go to the website connectedpapers.com. Connectedpapers.com. There you can put a keyword. Can you give anyone interesting keyword from social engineering? Yeah, social science. Any topic? Autonomy. Autonomy in what? Autonomy only. Okay, fine, no problem. Build a graph. Okay. Here, what's the difference between other thing here is, if you go to the, one second. For the particular paper, these are the connected papers are there. I just put only one keyword. For this one, who are the people who worked on this paper? Okay, normally, if I want to do a economic survey of India, means what I will do, I will put in a Google. It will give us so many search links. I can download each and every PDF and I can read it. What is present in each paper, then I put a summary. Rather than someone can connect everyone, okay, they will show it to us. Okay, so that I can quickly get there rather than searching all, because in the Google, every 20 search we have. Search it, then again second, search it, like that, instead of do like this. Okay, if you put a keyword in the particular website, it will give what are the connected papers. So quickly get the paper and read those papers. That's a advantage we have in this type of website. Okay, for other thing like
So here we can have only open access papers or the papers which are there.
That's what I'm telling. In not in that's what if this website can tell if you go for a login, not everything maximum thing it will trying to do. Maximum paper will trying to connect. Because why means the connectivity, for example, ChatGPT morning I said no, at present IEEE database, Springer, Elsevier, they never allow ChatGPT to access their database. Okay, but it will maximum it will trying to do. Maximum trying to do. Our work will somewhat some percentage it has reduced. Rather than start from the scratch. Okay, that's the thing. What do you think? Springer? What? Okay. So while just touch those papers, it will right side will display the papers. You can directly see those as well. Another one. Similarly, this website also has a lit maps. What is the use of like mobile phone only? Everyone have the same mobile phone? Does everyone have the same mobile phone? Not like that. Like that, so many websites are there. You can try while do the research. You can try with a different website. As I mentioned now, because I didn't try so many keywords in this website. Still, for this session only, I use ChatGPT. For a kind information, for the session only, I use ChatGPT for the past 1 week. I never use ChatGPT. Always use Google. Then I read the concern book. But for demonstration, these tools and I start using because I know Python. I know various packages, TensorFlow package. That's only we are using for research work. Okay, but we didn't use this aspect. So that we always want to read the respective book. That's my intention. But for the workshop, we spent 1 week for the preparing the both PPT. Okay. So, but we didn't more details on each website, each that is searching website. But you can try which one provide a very good best result. You can try to find it. Okay. But ChatGPT that we tested. We tested with 1 month. We tested with different keywords. Out of among this one is the best. ChatGPT is the best. Okay. Other thing is but even Copilot is there. Copilot some query do not go properly. Even DeepSeek also for a few things will access. For more query will ask means they said server is busy. Not properly, but the ChatGPT it will give a suggestion. You want this, you want this, you want this, like a spoon feeding. So we are ready to take it. Okay. Go to the next one. Research Rabbit. Okay. Actually, some recently my scholar used this one. They get the latest paper, the linking paper, latest paper very well.
Even the connected AI and research rabbit is very good.
Okay.
Finding
So now all the thing, everything they are trying to integrate AI with the particular website. So that the searching, okay. Yesterday also we have seen the thing. Most of the corporate top people like vice president, those people are done. They resign their job and they start using the startup on AI because the AI will help you a lot. They simply start a startup. They earn too much money. That's what the people are think. You don't know where they will go. Okay. Or similarly, answer this. Okay. So like this, they try to give a mind mapping. What are the papers are there? So answer this. Then research rabbit, lit maps, connected papers. Please kindly go through this website so that you should know about the keyword and the relative papers should be easily getting. Okay, go to the next one. This one we will explain later what's the difference between various aspects. Yeah. Then very important thing, PPT generation tool. So far we don't know question paper generation tool, okay, survey generation tool, paper like that. So this is a PPT generation tool. We will go with the Gamma AI. Here also 3 categories there. What is that? Start with the scratch, or I can copy some document to here. It will generate a PPT. Okay. You got the point? I can generate. We always go with a smart word thing. Yeah. I write the keyword. Yeah. Tell one keyword. Social people.
Community organization.
Community
Organization.
Okay. Community organization. PPT tayari generate. want to present or share with the mail ID. Or if anybody want to share with any people, means that also you can do it. I will present here. That's what maximum research work currently do by the researchers. Most of things already attempt really, including my research. Actually, I have guided 29 PhD so far, 18 from Anna University, 11 from other university. Okay, even my first student, he guided 7 PhD student. Okay, we are telling the doing research. Actually, what are things we are doing? Most of things already attempted by the top people like Google and other things. Okay, just try with the model with a different task like that only we are doing. Actually, we are not generating any model, we are not developing any model. We are just use a model for our task. Okay, that's what we are doing. Okay, I think error has occurred. I don't know what happened. So these are the PPT you have. Okay, even it allowed to edit also. It allowed to edit, that also you can do it. And if you one second, I go to my mail. Sometimes actually if I log into a website through your Gmail account, means automatically the PPT come to your website also. They come to your email ID also, so that you can use it. You got the point. So in the website you will give a keyword, it will generate a PPT, it will present to anyone or share with anyone, automatically one copy will come to your email. So this way you can quickly, within a short span of time you can do it. Okay. Similarly we have Tom and slide A and the other thing, Dectopus. Okay. And one more thing before I close the morning session PPT, I like to show someone can come to stage and type a 4-line statement about any domain, your domain. Please come to stage, please come fast. Anyone volunteer? Volunteer will get the munch chocolate. Anyone please come. Jaldi, jaldi. Anyone, don't worry, you can, any domain, 4 lines you can type it, please come. Please give a round of applause to this good person. Yeah, please. Yeah, please type it. Just 4-line statement on any domain. Others, you also try so that I give the task you can easy for you. India's my country, all our brothers and sisters. Okay. Sincerely saying, what is saying, sir? Okay. Four words, that is 4 line I tell you. A para of 4 lines. Now we are going to see this content was developed by him. Okay, you are going to check the plagiarism of the content. Okay, then how the AI tool, because you people use ChatGPT for nowadays I never give a project to anyone, to my student. Assignment also not given. Only project, only demo only I can do it. Assignment immediately download it. Okay. So project also for computer science, all the topic, image detection, disease detection, fraud detection, okay, all topic code is available. They download it and execute. Say, sir, we got the result, sir. If you go for asking what the function of the each one means, they are blinking. So that only we are concentrated. We are not giving an assignment to the students at all. Okay. Yes. Jaldi. What are some presents, allowing metals as publicity and usage of course. Okay, 2-3 lines is fine. 2 lines is finish when we take it. Okay. So now we are going to, this is a text. Yeah, you can go, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Now, for checking the plagiarism, morning somebody is tweeting one software is there. That's a, it's not an open source software. You have to pay it and use it. And I can go for this grammar tool. Earlier this facility was not there. Internet हो गया हाँ. Here is Wi-Fi was not there. Possible you can connect Wi-Fi is not that. My mobile network is idea. Okay, I understand. Morning, I think it's returned. Net is returned. Once to try, it's not there. I think net is returned. It's connected. Yes. Okay. So here this you already know. Quillbot is a grammar tool. Similar, Grammarly is also a grammar tool. Normally, when you type anything, you check the grammar. You can go for using this one. Now you just type on document, the two-line document. Okay. Here we can type here and check the grammar. If you want, you can check the grammar. If you know, I don't want a grammar. My English is good means you can directly go for a. Error is there. Okay, grammar check. We can do it. Then A detector I am going to do it. Okay. Translate at least we have a 80 words, no issue. Others, you also tried 80 words, you can try own words. Quick. Public administration as is organizing 10-day workshop on research methodology. ARCH. On social science. Participants from various part of the country. For attending the program. Okay. Okay. Morning it's worked. That's the problem. Once we try with the morning means it will free version. The limitation was there. 1 second. I'll close it. 1 second. I try. Okay, deduct A. Please check it. I tried my own statement. Deduct A. Not enough text. Is not 80 words?
Still 62.
Still we have to add more.
15 more to go.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me any statement. Okay. What is the airport name? L-I-M? L-E-M. P-O?
EUI.
E-O-N.
No. PUI.
P-O-I. Am I right?
No.
P-U-I. Sorry. P-U-I. That's it.
L-E-N-G.
L-E?
No, sir, the beginning, not L-E-M, L-E-N-G. L-E-N-G.
Am I right?
Sir,
Yes.
So can you add one more line? Mizoram
Yeah, tell me.
Mizoram is hub of traditional medicine.
Pardon?
Mizoram is the hub of traditional
Okay, very good. Very good.
Oh, hub medicine.
Hub for?
Mizoram is hub of traditional.
Traditional. Very good. Very good. Traditional. Okay.
In India.
In India. Not yet.
Still 2 more words. Sir.
2 more words. Yeah, tell me.
Mizoram people are very kind.
Mizoram people are very kind.
Mizoram is also known as Blue Hills.
It is also known as
Blue Hills. Blue Hills of blue sky.
They are both mentioned. I'm not.
Blue Hill.
Blue Hill.
Blue Hill. The people are very kind. They don't give any. People are very kind. Kind-hearted people. और कुछ? Yeah. This is our own statement. So the direct text is a 0% error. Am I right? 0% error. This is our own statement. Contributed by the person, that person, me. Okay, like that. Now we go for our famous friend ChatGPT. Yeah. Please tell about Mizoram. Yeah, REM, no? Yeah. See how is northeastern state known for the picturesque landscape, rolling hill. Okay, fine. I can prepare an assignment. Okay. Okay. Copy. Where is that? This one you can delete it. paste it. Okay, deduct A. Okay, this one you can copy from ChatGPT. So immediately they deduct this. Okay. So like this, I request you people, you can copy, but try to modify certain words. Okay. Not the point. So like that, they can try to do it.
Sir,
Yes.
once I tried this and I tried to modify some words.
For example, actually we tried. Yesterday we tried. Some of the words they tried, but even if you modify in these statements, they keep on say. So we'll try. For example, here I can copy this content. Where is our content? This content, no? This one I can copy. Okay. Oh, in the word ChatGPT itself, the word is there. So I can write this one. Okay. Deduct A again. See. It will not reduce because that's what they. Once we paste the content in the A modify means it will never accept it. Okay. Rather than you take the content generated by ChatGPT in the separate word, you modify. Then you copy it means because just like intelligent aspect. Earlier this A deductor, earlier it will record that our content. Okay. If you add something means by this, I will tell you a story. For example, don't try the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT, if you try the keyword, I want to make a bomb. You should not use the word. I want to make a bomb. It means ChatGPT, it will say it's a restricted one. I will not do it. At the same time, what we tried, our students we tried means, we tell the story to the ChatGPT. Okay, my mother every day, my grandma every day they used to tell a story. Okay, what story you used to tell? You used to tell horror story to me. What type of horror story? Normally in our place, so many festivals will happen. Okay, festival means some two groups of people they attack like that. What item they use for attacking? They use knife, bomb, like that. They're trying to say. But I want to know how they use a bomb like that. If you tell the story to the ChatGPT means, okay, bomb story will know. I will tell you how to make the bomb. Like that. That time you will tell the procedure. You got the point. So we can bypass the ChatGPT by asking this type of query means it will tell the answer. Okay. You got the point. So that's what that's called prompt engineering. We have now we are going to soon open that particular topic. So please don't try this one. Okay. Currently the cyber cell is very active. Recently one student from USA, he prepared a nuclear reactor. He's 7 years, I think 7th standard or something. He go through the thing, he prepared a nuclear reactor. FBI, he went to the house. Okay, so don't try. Sir only told try this as well. Don't try it. Okay, just example. Okay.
India will not happen.
Okay, come back to our part. Fine. So this is a free version is available to check the thing, but best is use what about that is in other softwares. In this university, what are the software we have? The Central Mizoram University. Okay, you will just take it. We will go to the next one. So that's it about the morning presentation. We'll go to the afternoon. I think some of the topic in the afternoon we already covered. I think this is the purpose we are using. 1 second, I show the slide. Okay. So what are the way we can use AI tool for collect the data? Morning I told how to collect the data. Similarly, analysis, ChatGPT will help you a lot. Okay. In addition, then in automation means what the meaning is. For example, in the SPS software, while you have the parameters, no, you have some features are there. Data sets, features are there. Do you think all the features are important? How do you know whether the feature is important or not? Based on utility, based on your requirement, like that you are telling. You manually, you claim this is important, like that you are telling. But if you feed the same data to any machine learning model, means it will run the data, it will try to, for example, this is one classification model, whether this state people actively participate in the particular program or not, any central government program or state government program, like that you want to check it. We have one database that will contain the state people and their participation on various activity. This is one data set we have. I want to check the participate yes or no. I want to this classification problem, yes or no. For that purpose, I upload the Excel to the any machine learning model, SPSS software. SPSS software will say, okay, maximum they are doing this activity, so we can recommend yes, like that they'll tell. It will not do any other thing. Okay, it will go through existing data. Okay, so maximum number of people they are positive aspect, so we can go for recommended, like that they'll tell. Here, what the machine learning model will do, it will go through all the features and it will reduce a feature also. Let us say you have 20 features, means by go through the data, by training the data, it will tell no, this feature is not at all relevant to this task. Remove it. It's called dimensionality reduction. Those things they are trying to do it. And they can create a new feature also. Not only reduce the features, they create a new features by go through the existing one. Recently, airline industry want to have a contract with a Wipro company. What contract means? They want to predict what will the passenger flight booking status for the upcoming month. For that, what the current information means? The current information have only the name of the passenger, age, date of birth, some other information. That information only we have. Okay. But I want to predict the person, means what you only check what is the previous flight booking pattern. That only you can check it. Beyond that, how do you predict? Suppose one person, I want to say that you book the ticket in the upcoming month. We have to check what the earlier flying pattern. Suppose you frequently travel, means you can predict that person will book a ticket in the upcoming days. Beyond that, that's the only hard data we have. But there is no column called income. There is no like that. They want to have the information so that they trying to predict this person will book a ticket in the upcoming days or not. But no one will be enter the incoming details in the. But the company they are given a feedback. No. From this data, we can't predict a very good pattern by the data available given by Indigo or some other company. But we want other column to be added. The column is income column. But income column, no one will enter in the particular one. Like that, gives certain columns, certain features. These features to be added along with the particular form, means so that we can able to predict the flying booking pattern in the upcoming days, like that. Okay, so like that they given certain recommendation. If they're given the recommendation to the passenger, you only decide whether they're given or not. Okay, but this is a recommendation given by the Wipro by go through the data collected by the various airline industry. Okay, come back to this one. Okay, like that, this type of automation means new feature selection, feature reduction, automatically done by the AI tools. Okay. Similarly, if I can show the demo, but thing is, you should know about the Python language. Okay. That's why this is a separate workshop. If you university permit, we can conduct one day some workshop, Python workshop. I will come and explain those workshops. But anyway, I'll show certain piece of code, how can we do it. And you go for a paper writing. That's what, if I ChatGPT, if you give any one second, recently one paper was cleared. I don't know how I have this. 1 second. Final PPT. Because there is one paper cleared by in the Japan university competition. It was prepared by ChatGPT only, but the particular girl has modified something. He cleared a very nil error. It was created by the ChatGPT only. Actually, I want to show the particular paper, which version is available.
Sir, if we write a command to provide in a humanoid form, that will be helpful through in ChatGPT. Kindly provide us in a humanoid.
One second, I'll show you. Right.
Humanoid.
One second. a paper on India culture, right? IEEE paper. Five page. Okay, so through the ChatGPT, we can able to make a paper. But thing is, if you submit directly means through the tool they can try to detect it, but you can made it and add our information means maybe this tool can detect, but if the what about pay and use software, no, library is used by the various library, there sometimes they can the percentage may be reduced. Not they can't say 100%, so percentage will be reduced. Even you can get a template from the ChatGPT. Because you don't know how to write the paper, you get a template from the ChatGPT, nothing wrong. But thing is, you can modify. See, they can generate a paper. You can download the paper and convert it into PDF format. Copy, go to the Word, save it as a culture PDF. Generated I put. See, this is the title we got it, culture, abstraction, linguistic. It's a very simple paper. But what's the problem we found in this paper means, we didn't give any more information. We just write a paper on Indian culture. But we didn't give any keywords. Try to provide some more details about this state culture, that state culture, any table format or graphical format or any like that. Okay, now I will tell you how to do the keyword searching in the ChatGPT. Go to the open session. This is not an activity session. Actually, note down the keyword. What is the meaning? How to do it in the? There is a topic called prompt engineering. Okay. For example, let us say that your father and mother. Okay, go and get from that particular place. He is telling, go and get from the particular place. If he telling means what conclusion can be made. Go there. What you have to take it from that. Like that, my query will be a very clear prompt. Suppose I am telling, go to the particular kitchen and get the doll or something. Rather than just go and get it, go there and get somewhere means I can search something somewhere and get it something, then he scold me like that. Rather than give a prompt query means easy for to get a clear, relevant answer. For example, this is a instead of go to the here. Be clear and specific. Example I given here. Explain fake detection is too broad. Explain fake detection is too broad. Here I have to explain deep learning approach for image fake detection with the example of models and data set. See this paper we didn't see any data set, we didn't see any table. I just give a generic word, write a paper on Indian culture. Okay, that's why I just give a few page. Rather than I given like this. Okay, Indian culture, you try it in your software, in your laptop. Okay, try Indian culture with the graphical, with the tabular format, with the 50 years data, like that you can give. Let's see whatever reply is coming. Next one, role assignments. Okay, yesterday I asked one query in the ChatGPT. It will not give a interesting answer. Then I said, you act as a statistician. Then you can interpret the result. Then you give a very interesting answer. I give the same query to the ChatGPT to get a reply. it will not give a proper reply for the particular query. Then I got irritated. Then I said, you act as a statistical person. How to interpret this Excel data? Then we will come up with a very good result. Like that you can say, you are a technical writer. If you do like this, your paper should be a very interesting one. You are cyber security researcher. Like that, based upon that domain keyword, you can call like that. That's why I give statistician. It's a statistical related query. Okay, like that you try to tell means. That's what I told now how to make a. Okay, like that you would encouragement. It will tell a more interesting answer. Okay, next. Rather than a single query, give a 2-3 bulletin points. Query itself give a point as a point. Single query, explain the process of fake image in 5 steps. Input the tools and technique. Provide steps to implement. But what the ChatGPT know? Whenever you give any query, it will ask, you want this one, you want this one. Because of this technique only. It will ask, not only give a reply, it will ask, you want to do like this? Okay, do you want more? Do you want visualization? Do you want any other interpretation? Do you want to compare with this one with other method? Like that it will ask. Based upon reply, it will keep on like that. Use step-by-step instruction. Then specify the format. You want the table format? Be specific. Just a keyword means it will give a description. Always be specific in giving the format. If you want, suppose I want a point in a bulletin format, para format, or British English, like that. Like that you can put a language also. That also you can consider. Okay, and as I mentioned, no, constraints and conditions also you can mention it. Constraints and conditions. Explain blockchain with 100 words. Explain GAN architecture. This GAN architecture used to detect the fake images. Actually, the fake image architecture, the purpose of the architecture is to find out where the image is distorted. That is the actual purpose. Our people, technology is a double-edged knife. Okay, that's the actual purpose of this GAN architecture. To detect any image distorted means they're trying to find what is the particular image. Okay, what is the particular image? That is the purpose of finding the particular GAN architecture. The founder vision is like that. They misuse it for doing some other thing. That is a base. That is a thing. Okay, next example for references. Okay, write a research introduction similar to you want some sample text. Like this, I want a research article. Mimic the style. Okay, you mention the style. This is the style I wanted. Provide example for the reference. And email also. Don't write an email for outright to my HOD for getting leave letter. Okay, like that. Okay. Then iterative refinement. See. Suppose your whatever thing you got is not a perfect means, rewrite the previous answer in a more formal academic tone. That's what I told. No, they didn't give a reply properly. Then you act as a like that. Rewrite the previous answer. Make the previous response more concise. Normally, give an answer very concise only. Once again, give the same word. It will give more concise. You try it, then only you can learn it. By know the query, you can't find it. While do the research, you give her like this. Then comparing with other thing, contextual reference. Okay, contextual reference. Okay, here our aim is to find the fake detection. Okay, it will give some other technique, but based on the previous CNN, now we explain transfer learning. Earlier CNN learning, transfer learning is one method for defect detection. Okay, so based on like this, now you can explain. Earlier you got explanation about how detect the fake images using CNN architecture. Now you tell me, based on like this, now you explain transfer learning enhance fake detection accuracy. It will take. Okay, so that mapping aspect will do, and always use what, why, how questions. Okay, don't simply ask what is a fake, what are fakes, why are they dangerous, how can machine learning detect them. It will tell the answer very professionally. And rather than given a single technique, you can combine multiple technique also, so that your answer should be a more interesting one. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, for deepfake images, 7 categories available. But actually we tried, we given all the categories. But ChatGPT able to provide only 4 categories. Even we given our keyword, it will tell only a few things only for the remaining category. But 4 categories will provide detailed information. That means that model was trained with the part of 4 models only. Okay. Yeah. Actually, this is a data.gov. Kindly note this one. Here are 450 data sets available for social science. So one of the sample website, sample data set, health data set, US government health data set, data.gov. This is US government website. There you can type it in the social science, you can get a repository. Here you can find it that the comma separate is in a data set format only. CSV for comma separate variable. I'll tell you what the difference between Excel, CSV, data frame, data set, database. I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay, CSV format. This is a famous format where the data can be stored. You can just click it, you can get it. You go to the URL, just click it, you can get this CSV format. And in this website, okay, visualization of the data is also available. Not only given the data, in the website itself, you can, while you click the data, you can see the trend of the data. Why we see the trend means, based upon the trend, we can say whether the data will be useful to me or not. For example, if you see the normal distribution of data, okay, normal is a good one. If the data distribution normal means that the mean, median, mode will be all same. Okay, so that's one type of. If the left skew, right skew means it's not a very good data. So like that, while see the trend, we can say whether this data is good, that data is good. You can select those CSV file. Got the point? Earlier website, they only given the CSV file. In this website, apart from the CSV file, they provide some trend also. You can come that you can select the particular. Now come back to that advantages. You read the advantages. So as I mentioned earlier, SPSS only focus on statistical analysis and hypothesis testing. Okay, you know what test or whatever may be. Whereas in the case of machine learning, okay, it will. But in the SPSS, what you're doing, we only go through the existing structured data. From that, we can get some prediction aspect. But unseen data, what's the prediction of unseen data? SPSS only prediction on the seen data only. What is the unseen data? That's machine learning play image. That's what I'm telling. While they feed the data to you, it will try to learn it. Okay. Then whenever give any data, it will tell this is a type of data like that. It will tell. Further, I should learn it. I was trained. My model was trained with some data. Once you train it, they give one new test data. Then you will tell this data belong to that one, this one, like that. For example, classification. You already say height. This is height. This is a weight mean. This is a male. This is height. This is a weight mean. This is a female. Like that, we have one data set. Suppose I am giving a new height and weight. What the person? The person is a male or the person is a female. If you give the same data to data statistics, it won't give any data. I mean, got the point. But at the same time, you give the same example to the machine learning, it will tell whether it's a boy or girl. Okay. You people, I hope you know the formula like MAE, MSC. What's the MAE? These are the regression metrics, performance metrics. Mean, you can check the mobile, you check it. Again I will ask question, don't worry. You can check the mobile, nothing wrong. MAE, mean absolute error. MSE, mean square error. RMSE, root mean square error. Adjust R square. Okay, these are the performance metric of the regression model. Okay, time permits, I'll give certain problem on that. Okay, and but SPSS is best suited for structured data, tabular data. SPSS well suitable for structured tabular data. Only problem with SPSS means you can use SQL query, XML, everything you do it on SMS, but it is all a local system like that. You can't lively connect with the external thing to download or something. That type of thing you can't do it in. But also, suppose I want to merge too many files. In the Power BI, in the Tableau, we can able to merge too many data files as a single file. Can you do it? Because I didn't try in SPS, I don't know how to use it. Anyone tried? Combining 2-3 Excel files in a single file. Is it possible? Because we, I don't have any software. This is a very new software. No, I don't have the software. Anyone use SPS software? Then how you do the UG project? You use it. Yeah, can you combine a very big data set in a single data set?
I haven't tried, sir.
Okay. Here in the Tableau and Power BI, there they can facilitate union facilities there. Joining 2-3 table. By joining, some other repetition means also they can try to reduce and remove it. Okay, then we can go for analysis. Same thing, same SPSS. The Tableau also can do the graphical format. If you want, I'll show one Power BI things. At present, Tableau give some 15 days trial, free trial is there. 15 days, 15 days trial, 1 month trial is there, you can use it. For example, here, can you upload a PDF file in the SPSS? SPSS accept XML file, but here you can see these are the different files we can be able to upload it to visualize it. Only for visualize the data. Visualize and analyze the data. Assume that I am going to upload Excel file. In the desktop, normally you have studied one thing, no? Desktop archives, UNICEF Global Education data set. Okay. And in this data set, these are the features are there. Okay, I go to the sheet 1. Yeah, these are the columns present in the sheet 1. That is called category, children with a functional disability, countries and area, data set development region, F15, indicator, ISO code like that will be there. I go with some simple Excel file. One second. All are paid version only, like SP said, this also all are paid version only. Excel, final PPT. Yeah, here you go to the sheet 1. So like that they will be able to combine it. Union of the true files we can have. Furthermore, there is a column called live column. From this also we can directly get the live data. As a businessman, I can get the live data. I can upload here and view the dashboard and all. And yes, for example, in the SPS also you do like this. For example, city name. What happened? Support I can't do it. There's a free version only one second. Then outlier has an impact on mean. Outlier has impact on mean or not? I'm asking you people. Outlier has an impact on mean, yes or no?
Yes.
Definitely, very good. Who given answer? Give applause to the girl. Very good. What about median? Median have impact on yes or no? Two answer only. No. Why? Answer you don't know. Tell me. My question is, the outlier has an impact on mode. Mean somebody said. Mean yes. Definitely have impact.
Sir, I'm really sorry, but I don't know.
What's the median? What's the median is? What's the median? Middle. Let us say that element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N we have a 29. Okay. Our aim is finding the middle element. Whether this outlier have impact or not. Do you have any impact? I am selecting only middle element. No. You try it. I give you an example. No. You try it. I give 12, 4 like that. You try. No. You remove one outlier and check it what's the mean and median. Try it. It affects. No. In the median, we can't. It's not affected. You try. It's not affected. Mode. It's not affected. Mode is not affected.
Because most frequently number only there.
Okay, no issue. No, one second. I'll try with I want to present okay, sheet 1. What are the columns are there? These are the city, country, customer name, full name, product and profit and other things, sales items are there. You can try with the yes. Sheet 1. Whatever we will cut. Data source. Something I do. Yes, customer country. There is how they're doing means. For example, I'll tell you. In the sheet, we will select. Let's say the customer name. No, customer city and customer name. Or here we can put it in the rows. Which graph you want it? The X parameter. What are the parameter you want to select? The SPS. Here also you can select and feed it to other rows. Similar columns also you can feed it. Right hand side we have so many graphs are there. Whether a bar chart or scatter plot, all the things on the right hand side. Click it means it will display the value here. You got the point? These are the parameters available in the sheet 1 of particular Excel. Okay. You want to select this one and put it in the respective rows and columns. You can add one more features in the rows. For example, country, city in the x-axis, y-axis sale of the item. You got the point? Country, city, the x-axis, y-axis sale of the item. You can click the graph, it will provide. Similarly, I think country graph is available in the SPSS. Is it available? Yeah, I didn't know. After use only I can know that. It's nothing but, for example, instead of just telling USA or Alaska or something, they'll give the world map. From that, they will show the which place the sale is high. Like that, also we can able to see here. That's called country map.
It's available in Excel.
Then is all
Excel.
yeah, AA based Excel or general Excel is available.
General Excel.
You can open it. Yeah, desktop we have what Excel.
So some addition.
Edition maybe some edition we have. That's what I said. That edition, that AA based edition only we have. This is a normal Excel we have. Okay, there we can do a lot of graphs. We can do it. Okay, beyond that doesn't have any facility. Which version you can check it? The free version is available. Because the current Excel version is not available. But Excel with A capacity is available. Through that we can able to do it. I don't think so other things available. Okay. Otherwise you can try Power BI. This is error is coming. You can go for Power BI. Because I didn't use any day version, I use only free version only to show the demonstration. We tried, okay, yeah, Excel book we have. Import Excel. Data set.
Microsoft 365 is providing if you subscribe.
1 second. Here, one more thing available in the Power BI. If you want to listen. If you select the table, yeah, now it's load. We can load the Excel in the particular software. That's one aspect. Another material is a transform data. Transform data means clean data is also available. For example, some of the column may be null. Normally, if the data set contain null, what you will do? Data set is someplace null. What you will do? I will give an example. Let's say you have the physics, chemistry, maths, biology. These are subjects there. Biology mark is missing. What you will do? How will you fill the data? 5 subjects are there. 4 subject mark is there. 5th subject mark is not there. What you will do? You got my question? Assume that a student have 5 subjects marks, 4 subject mark is available, 5th subject mark is missing. How do you fill it?
By seeing the
By seeing the performance in the
related marks.
Tell me. The concept we already discussed. Using regression? No. Yeah, that model you can try. Is a good thing. Good. Simply.
We can use proxy by seeing other.
Proxy, no. Any other method? You think it? I have only out of 5, 4 only I have. 5th I don't know. What I will do? Generalize means? Yeah, I think it's come to the point. Generalize means? Means. It's a mean. Okay, mean. Give a plus the person, yeah. Right. Yeah. Okay. Mean only. There is no other option. We can, but what is luck is, suppose I hate max subject. I got super marks in all other subject. Okay, that's why maybe I failed or something. Okay, in the case mean means it will lucky for me. Okay, but generally they go for a mean only. They go for a mean. But okay, now we try this one. Load data. Once I load it, waiting for loading. This will finish by around. Yeah. I got the data here. Here I can go for a city. Then country and sale. Okay, go for a graph. Okay, I can
Expand.
it have both country and city. Right hand side we have graph. Like that we have. Similarly, go for using a scatter plot, line plot. Similarly, you go for a that image I told you, world map line. What is that? Yeah, map. I think our free version is blocked. Map version is blocked. Other thing you try. Narrative, logic, or we have, and any other structure. This also we have. Like this also we have. So like this, we can create more chart in a single dashboard. Okay, I show it to my manager. I show it to my team. This is the work the productivity is going on. Okay, productivity, sale aspect, then marketing aspect. This is amount spent. This is sales aspect. Like that, we can show different graph in a single dashboard and show the dashboard to my team and explain. It's only for visualization and analysis purpose. Okay. But real researcher, they're using a SPSS only for do the analysis. Okay, I'll quickly go to the side. I'll take only 1 minute, please. Some more thing already seen. I will quickly. This already same. Yeah. See, for sampling technique, I given a query. Okay. Explain stratify sampling with the example. This query I given to ChatGPT. I didn't provide any details. I just put stratify sampling. It will give what is stratify sampling, what is the random sampling, then example of the stratify sampling. Then it will give what example also. How do from this given data, this is a 5,000 student data, how this stratify sampling will be taken. Okay. One method. This is a stratify sampling, how it can be taken. Any doubt you can ask me. Okay. All result I got it from that particular friend only. Okay. This is a task actually I planned, but you can just you know it. Then quantitative data. These are the graph. And normally, whenever you upload any data, instead of the graph, you can specifically mention. Suppose you are uploading your quantitative data, then you can mention these are the graphs I needed. Don't just upload it and just provide a graph. Even you ask it will provide it, but be specific. Histogram, line chart, box plot. If it's a continuous, if discrete means bar chart, pie chart, or something like that. You can try to give as a prompt aspect. Similarly, for qualitative data, bar chart, pie chart, this is available. Okay, and these are the difference will be there. And similarly, I tried with uploading the vehicle data set and ask query given, find Z test, T test, F test, chi-square test, ANOVA, Friedman, all the thing I given. See, these are the statistical query. Z test, T test, F test, chi-square, ANOVA, Friedman, Kruskal, Man-Wiki, confidence interval, regression analysis. Okay, using Python code also I given. Okay, when I upload the data, see, that's what I here. The query is asked, you act as a statistician. Okay, then they will provide overview about the data. How many rows, how many columns, what is the missing data. Is the cleaning, handling missing value also said. I said the transform data. Handling the missing value. That will be taken by this ChatGPT. Then it will perform all this test. Okay. Which test we should prioritize, or do you want full statistical summary? I said full statistical summary. Okay. Then it will put a summary about the data set and what is the value for each one. Is it a T test, F test, chi-square, ANOVA, Kruskal test, confidence interval. Okay. Based upon, it will give a conclusion. Tesla vehicle has a high electrical range, not like that they give a conclusion also. While uploading that electric vehicle sale data, we will get a regression analysis metric like SPSS. Apart from that, we can get a summary about the particular one. Similarly, you can see the visualization also. Similarly, we have a visualization also in the ChatGPT. Okay. Similarly, I given a Python code for the analysis. Through the code also, you can be able to get the same data, like a summary, graph, everything through the scattered plot, matplot, C-bond. These are through the tool that you use in the Python code. Through that, you can be able to see get the same graph. Okay, so that's all about today's session. 1.5 hours too little. We need at least more session to cover more topics. Okay. Okay. Thank you for patiently listening the aspect. Don't think that only today itself our thing over. I given my details. Okay. You can contact through mail. Phone I am unable to get it because through mail definitely I'll reply. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir, chai piyo.